Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the most detailed and honest reviews of the best tools in the market. Today, we're showcasing what we believe is the best beard grooming kit scissors comb you can get your hands on. The 5 inches Professional Beard and Mustache Scissors Grooming Set by Fabix. Let's get into why this kit stands out in a crowded grooming market. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is the sleek and compact design. The set includes a 5-inch pair of precision scissors, a mustache comb, a beard comb, and a travel-ready PU leather pouch. It's everything you need for facial hair grooming, in one lightweight and easy-to-carry package. Now let's talk quality. These scissors are crafted from premium German steel, renowned for its strength, sharpness, and durability. That means no more tugging, no more dull snips, and definitely no more rusting. Whether you're shaping a thick winter beard or trimming a fine mustache, these blades deliver a clean, smooth cut every time. The corrugated edge on the blades adds another layer of precision. Unlike straight-edge scissors, this design grips the hair gently before cutting, helping you trim with better control and less chance of pulling. It's designed to work seamlessly on all types of facial hair, beards, mustaches, eyebrows, and even those pesky nose hairs. And it's not just about the blades. Fabix has clearly put thought into comfort too. The handle is ergonomically designed with a firm grip that fits naturally in your fingers. You get maximum control with minimum hand fatigue, even during those longer grooming sessions. What really makes this kit travel-friendly is the inclusion of that stylish PU leather pouch. It keeps your grooming essentials safe, organized, and easy to access on the go. Whether you're on a business trip, heading to the gym, or going on vacation, your grooming game doesn't have to take a hit. One more thing, presentation. The kit is beautifully packaged, making it a fantastic gift for the special men in your life. Think birthdays, Christmas, Father's Day, or even as a classy Valentine's Day present for your boyfriend or husband. To wrap it up, the Fabix 5 inches Professional Beard and Mustache Scissors Grooming Kit is the perfect balance of performance, design, and convenience. Whether you're maintaining your daily look or making a big change to your facial hairstyle, this kit gives you the tools and the confidence to do it right. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're ready to upgrade your grooming routine or looking for a gift that truly delivers value, this Fabix grooming kit might just be what you're looking for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dive product breakdowns just like this. Thanks for watching.